All right, today, day 18 of the 30 moves to 30K, your first deal system. Today's a big one. They're all big, but this one especially. Take pictures of your project and take them often. Why? Because things are constantly changing and you want to grab as much of that as possible. A few reasons. One, you're documenting what's really happening and and that way you have sort of a paper trail, so to speak, a picture trail of how this thing is evolving. So when they work on a room, I'll like go take pictures of every wall, ceiling, floor, if I can, whatever it is. And that's just one example. You just get a lot of pictures. Well, Frank, nothing changed in this room. Take pictures of it anyway. You never know, right? You just never know. And that's the thing is things do happen, and referencing past pictures can solve a world of problems. And that alone is good enough reason to take a lot of pictures when issues arise down the road. Or how did we do that again? I don't remember. I think I did this, but I'm not 100% right. Just it goes on and on. So the other thing is, as you're taking pictures, you're building, quite frankly, things you can use for marketing. You are getting a feel for on how to project how the project is progressing. And ultimately, what you're doing is you're creating a scenario where it's like, okay, we have a strong feel for this house. We can really understand the project. So later on, when you go to sell it, and inspectors might ask questions, realtors might ask questions, maybe even the buyer. You can talk very intelligently about what's happened because you have it documented and you've talked with your GC or maybe the subs and you understand. It just goes a long way. It goes a long way to have a strong photo record. And along this idea of photo record, I take pictures of all your receipts. Okay. If you're buying materials for anything, keep those receipts. I can't tell you how many times we bought stuff and then we have to go back and reference it. Okay. So having a good system for tracking your receipts online, labeling them, making sure they're readable, I mean, it can save you a lot of trouble when things go south, because something always goes south. So that is the key that I would say. Take pictures of the property in excess, but also take pictures of any receipts. Have a copy, don't just depend on the photocopy, or I'm sorry, the physical copy, and it'll just serve you well. It'll serve you really well. Pictures, oof, we literally have hundreds, if not thousands, of pictures for properties, easily hundreds. And that's what I recommend. It's just super powerful, and it's never been easier in today's days of technology, right? With all the camera on our phones, it's amazing. So, with that, super important tip. It's super simple, but it matters so much. So, see you in the next video.